How to set up direct deposit with US Bank. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow to set up the direct deposit with US Bank. So let's get started. So we can start by filling out the direct deposit form directly. We can directly find the direct deposit form in the on website. So go ahead and search for direct deposit authorization form for US Bank, and this is the form that we can download. Once we find it out, these are some of the information that we require. One of them is US account number. Make sure you have this. Find this on your online banking, on your statement, or on your checks. And your routing number is also required, which is a 9-digit number specific to your account, and it can vary by state as well. Apart from that, we need the employer's direct name, usually provided by the HR or payroll, the bank name, and the account type. So go ahead and provide it up. And after that, you just need to go ahead and follow up your direct deposit request. You can complete a form to your employer's payroll department, give it up, and some employers allow online submission via a portal. And first direct deposit may take 1 to 2 pay cycles to start. And always keep your old payment method active on you until you confirm the deposits are arriving. After that, so you can verify your deposit. You can log in into online banking of US Bank and check that your deposit has arrived on your payday or not. And that's it. Usually, this is how you should be able to set up direct deposit with US Bank. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.